Welcome to my review of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. In this video, I will walk you through my honest experience with their services. Parsa Mohebi is a well-known name in the field of hair restoration, offering a range of treatments including hair transplants, FUE, and FUT procedures. The first thing I noticed about Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration is their professional approach and attention to detail. The consultation process was thorough. The team took the time to assess my needs, discuss treatment options, and answer all of my questions. I felt reassured that they understood the intricacies of hair restoration and were focused on delivering the best possible results for me. Their expertise in hair loss solutions was evident from the start, and it was clear they have years of experience in the field. The clinic itself is clean, modern, and welcoming. The staff is friendly and professional, making sure to keep me comfortable throughout my visit. The procedure, although a bit lengthy, was relatively painless, thanks to their advanced techniques and experienced team. Afterward, the recovery process was manageable, with clear instructions on how to care for the grafts and what to expect during the healing period. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the results. It's been a few months since my procedure, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. My hairline is fuller, and the results look natural. The hair restoration has made a significant improvement in my confidence, and I'm glad I chose Parsa Mohebi for my hair transplant. While the cost of the procedure is on the higher side, I feel that the quality of service and the expertise provided justifies the price. If you're looking for a reputable hair restoration clinic with excellent customer service and proven results, Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration is a solid choice. Overall, my experience with Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration has been positive. They offer professional, high-quality services with a focus on results and patient satisfaction. I would recommend them to anyone considering hair restoration. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews.